Hey guys, so a lot of you asking me about Bitcoin, if I can do some quick TA on what I think is going to happen. Unfortunately, on the day chart, we did see this huge dump right now, and it's currently sitting at around 16,691 on the price mark. Fortunately for us, everything else is extremely bullish. Bitcoin hasn't been this bullish since fucking 2017 happened, right? Apart from the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart being bearish, which is basically everything right now, I do think the floor is happening at 1600. I don't think we're gonna do past that, especially with with Thanksgiving coming up and the weekend. Cryptos usually tend to do really well during the weekend. I think this was just a regular take profit because we did hit the 1900 price level. So I think because we didn't break it easily, people just started taking profit. I don't think we're gonna sell off like any other sell-off. I think the sell-off already happened and it's done. If anything, we might consolidate around these prices, like the $1,600 level. But I am betting that within the next week, actually, so I'm kind of calling it right now, I do think that within the next week or so, we are gonna go back to 1900. And I do think right now is a really good time to buy. If you guys want to make a little bit more extra money, obviously wait to see if it does actually retest the 1600 level. I personally wouldn't wait. I'd probably buy right now and then sell off at 1900 because there does seem to be really good resistance for that price range. So as of right now, I do hold about like a little bit over 1,000, maybe 1,500 worth of Bitcoin. I'm not selling. Same thing for XRP and all my other cryptos. I'm not really selling anything. As far as the 1-hour MACD, I really like it because it's actually super oversold and it's about to go into bullish territory again. And the last time something like this happened, where it was super oversold like this, was back like, I don't know, we haven't even seen anything like this. So I do think that this next uptick, when the hour chart, the hour MACD actually goes bullish, we are going to be breaking that $1,900 level. And I do think that we're going to be touching $20,000 within the next week or two. I'm like 99% sure this is going to happen. I'll see you guys later.